Here's how to fix Easy Anti-Cheat not installed on Steam games. First, open the Steam application and go to the Library tab. Find the game that's showing the Easy Anti-Cheat is not installed error. After that, right-click on the game, select Manage, and then click Browse Local Files. This will open the game's installation folder. Now, open the Easy Anti-Cheat folder, and then locate the Easy Anti-Cheat setup file. Right-click on it, select Show More Options, and then click Create Shortcut. Once the shortcut is created, right-click the shortcut and select Properties. In the target field, move your cursor to the very end of the existing text, press the spacebar, and type install prod-fn. After adding this text, click Apply and then OK. Next, right-click the shortcut again and select Run as Administrator. This will attempt to install or repair Easy Anti-Cheat automatically. If the error still appears, go back to the Steam application, right-click the affected game, and select Properties. Here, open the Installed Files tab and click Verify Integrity of Game Files. Steam will scan the game files and automatically replace any missing or corrupted files. Wait until the verification process reaches 100%. Once the scan is complete, close the Steam window and launch the game again to check if the Easy Anti-Cheat error has been resolved. And that's it. That's all for this video. Thanks.